Alrighty, cool. I think I got something going. So I was working on the level design and whatnot of this, and I have a pretty good, whoops, a pretty good build sort of what I made. And I added some features. For example, now you can control the camera with the mouse. There's that. I'm gonna start doing standalone game, I think. I think that works better. Let's see. Okay. I prefer to play with a keyboard myself. But yeah, so we're gonna just do a playthrough and see what the issues are that we encounter. And at that point, see what we can do about it. There's a couple of things that I want to. Okay, is the video working well? Okay, cool. There's a couple of things that I wanted to do. I think. Let me check. There's the checkpoints that I want to add. Maybe the camera transitions and stuff. Maybe as well. Yeah, there it's kind of messed up. I don't know how I can fix them just off of this right now. This part, I think I could improve. Let's just ignore the camera. Yeah, that's great. And little things like that, I guess, that could be improved upon, because they're not working very well. The light there I don't like. This is pretty cool. Here obviously the whole geometry is kind of messed up. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Hey Meads, how's it going? It's going well. I added gamepad support today, and I noticed there was a couple of issues there. I haven't downloaded the build. Have you tried it, by the way? So that's one of the important things that I need to add is like kill boxes. But that's something that we're gonna add. Yo, Bradley, Alex, Bradley, how's it going, dude? I started streaming the development of the game to show it around and stuff. Doing that promo. I'm gonna get rid of this, move this around. What else did I say? Let me just start at the beginning, I guess. Here, and then where? Oh, here. And then up. Oh shit, it's my boy Waldad. How's it going, dude? Oh, great, man. Thank you. Yeah, so there's a couple of camera issues and stuff like that. Here. Let me just go through the level and fix the most the most obvious things. Of course he did. I kind of figured that he did, and I was doing this in secret, far away from you guys, and this fucking guy shares. You can watch me sleep, you can watch me do many different things. Okay, the other thing I want to do is this right here. I'm gonna hide the shadow there just because it bothers me. And I want to see what I can do. Oh, is it gonna produce another weird shadow though? It's not too weird though, is it? If I put it really close. You're never far away from. Oh, it's Iceman too, the fucking creep. The creepiest man on the planet. How's it going, Iceman? I can do collisions. No collision. I'm like an insult streamer, you know, insult comics. I'm an insult streamer now. That's what I am. Straight from the bottle, baby. Sparkling water. And then rendering, and I think I can do like hide in game or something like that. Display, show, game, actor hidden in game. Great. Oh, but if it's hidden in game, it doesn't do that. Okay. Can I not render it though? Not visible. But if it's not visible, the game is fun, and the mechanic of the hot dog is just something amazing. Of course. And sorry for not having better words to express myself. That's fine. By the way, Meads, I created a Discord. You can find the link nowhere, because I only put it on Twitch. So on YouTube, you can. I'm gonna send you the link, I guess. Right here. I made a Discord for the game. It's like brand new. I made it today, so there's no much in there. How do you come up with that? Where is left and right? Well, that's the problem, right? Is that you don't know where the left and the right is, so that's why I made it play like this. But it comes with its issues, and I think it's still not quite there. The way you control the hot dog is basically, even with a controller or whatever, I don't have a controller with me right now, but the way it works is I'm pressing right now, and I'm pressing left, and I'm pressing forward and backwards. So since you don't know, you cannot know what left and right is, because here it changes. The left that you're seeing is always the left input. So now I'm pressing left and right. But the other thing is, like, now if I press forward, it'll roll. So let's say if I'm doing this, if I press forward, it'll flip. So it's always kind of like going towards the direction you're pressing, which is like kind of like a mind switch, and it's kind of weird, I think, but it's the best solution that I found so far. So I need to see eventually if I have like a better solution to that or not, but so it seems like I can't do the thing that I wanted to do. Oh, what happened here? Which is like, I just wanted to show visible. I don't want it to be visible. So if I don't want it to be visible, it's still... Oh, that sucks, because I really just wanted that mesh to not show that. I don't know, Cartoon Closet Iceman, because I had one game with a publisher in the past, and on Switch, Xbox, and PlayStation. But this game I haven't like shopped around or anything. It's really early in development, so I don't know about that. That sounds kind of sick movement design. Sounds more intuitive to have it follow your input. I think it's really good once you get into the feel of the thing, and I think it kind of helps with the organic aspect of the thing, but also it's been hell to code, to be honest. Like it wasn't easy, and I think it's not completely quite there. My first game is a game called 0000 that you can find on Switch. It's a little like $4.99 or $5.99 game that I made like 5 or 4 years ago, and I've released other games. Like I worked on a mobile game for Disney, which was a load of shit, and I worked on other games in other roles. And the last game I worked on is called Ite. It's on Steam right now. It came out on the 23rd. Oh, it's gonna be a month already. 23rd of July. So I'm gonna fix the stuff that I wanted to fix. This guy right here, I like the stuff, but can I change? Kind of want to change the shape. Shape primitive, yeah. What happens if I do this? So that it goes too random, you know? So I kind of don't want it to... turbulence, none. Will it go like this? I think that's kind of better. Yeah, 0000 is a game that I made initially for a game jam in 48 hours. And I met the publisher, and he was like, "Can you?" I had 8 levels, and he's like, "Can you make 100 of these?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." And in 3 months, I made the 100 levels, and it got released. It took like a year for it to release, and yeah, I made a bunch of money with it. Honestly, it was cool. Okay, so I was fixing this. I wanted to fix this, but I can't for some reason. I would have to remove all the light somewhere. Although there's one thing that I wanted to do, which I think would be really cool, is something that happens right here. Okay, I'm gonna do it right now and see what happens. I'm gonna model it. I'm gonna create a box right here, and I'm gonna make like a glass thing. Like this. And then I'm gonna change its width or whatever, its girth. And then I'm gonna make a new material, I think, unless I have a glass material already. Art direction side, I imagine you would like some of Night Kitchen with spots. It gave me that type of environment. I don't know. Yeah, that's like the obvious environment that everyone thinks, I think, or kitchen or going to a bun or stuff like that. But I kind of really like the idea of the game being in a museum. I just think it's funny. So once I do this, there's a really cool thing that I can do, which is fracture. And I can create a new fracture here, and I'm gonna put it here. It's gonna be GC glass panel. So once I create this, check this out. Where was it? And there's like color and stuff. So here I have to do color, I think. Show bone colors. No, we're not gonna show the bone colors. And for some reason it's showing it as already broken. So let me check. Okay, I can't break it yet. maybe the player is not going to be able to see it from there. Great. So now what I'm going to do is go into that thing right there, the glass panel, and here it has like a lot of mass. I think I can do this, and then there is like another thing that I can do, which is, where is it? Let's just test it out as is right now and check what happens. Okay. That did not break at all, but it did move it. But what I wanted to do is like break in a million pieces, which usually it should have, I feel. Let me see. Chaos solver. Whatever. So now what we want to do is like find the value. Is this stream working fine on your end, dude? I'm wondering if it's like lagging or something. 50, 50, 50. This doesn't work. 100, 100, 100. I don't want it to break by itself. I want it to break. A little bit ago it fucked up. Okay, I don't know what number I need to put. Mother. It's just very fragile. It's just very fragile. It was like at 5,000 in the beginning, no? Okay, there it's kind of breaking a little bit and then it broke. Okay, so I guess you can kind of see that it's kind of broken right now. So I wonder if it's like a thing on how I set up the model. Okay, cool. So I wonder what effect it's gonna have when I go like this. Hope the final levels of aldehyde. That's what everyone wants, dude. That's what everyone wants, a barbecue, and I'm almost like, maybe that's what I should do. I go with custom, and I'm gonna make it ignore the camera, so that the camera doesn't kind of like overlap with it. Yeah, baby. Okay. So there, that was cool, but I think what we can do now is we could break a little bit more. That's like so crazy. If you made a camera box is hiding the setting behind your details panel. Like this? Let's try it out like this and see what happens. Alrighty. And now Oh, just... Did it break just by itself? I think I'm gonna leave it the way it was. It was fine. There we go. Okay. Whatever. For now, it's fine. So the other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clone this guy right here. I'm gonna do in my class, and I'm gonna put it in my materials. I'm gonna move it here. Then I'm gonna apply it here to this guy. My glass, because then I can edit it. Oops. I could edit the material itself, because I feel like I want the glass to have some color. I think window. There was a way. I feel like maybe I could kind of like make it bluer. Maybe I could make it bluer and it would change absolutely nothing. What do you guys think? That is kind of cool. What I would like also is I'm gonna make this. Can I edit this in blueprints? No. I made a blueprint out of it. Okay, great. So I'm gonna do a here, and I'm gonna do event graph. No. Oh, actually, on actor, on chaos crumbling event. Collision. Set disable collision. Would this work? Oh, I don't know how this works. Accessor. Get utilities, variables. I thought this would match this actually. Let's see what else it can do. On chaos break event. I wonder what this returns. I don't know what you can see right now, that's the thing. Then we're gonna put it back here. It's not working right here. This is the right event. So then I'm wondering if like disable collision, or yeah, I would see like collision, or maybe I'm gonna do delay and then I make it destroy. You know, it just kind of like it'll destroy itself eventually. Just short. Or it won't, you know? It doesn't matter if it does or if it doesn't. It's not like I just literally coded that. This is a blueprint. Go here. I think it's like a cool little detail, that thing, where it flies and it happens. And the target would be, yeah, it would be this, self. So why doesn't it happen? I guess that's not the event that happened. On chaos physics collision. Boom. I'm gonna wait. Yeah. And we're gonna do that. it should be destroying itself. Left button most time is empty, and most streams do this except you here. But in the left button, the thing is that... Okay, there maybe? I almost closed the stream straight up. That's pretty crazy. So it's not calling it. I'm just gonna check here. I'm gonna do a print. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. So it's never calling that event. So what if I just do collision on collision, one event hit, boom, and the other is the player. That's the player. There we go. I think that this should work. That's good, yeah? Great. Thanks for the help. Interesting. Target is actor. What could it be this? Visible. Set actor hidden in game. Yes, and then destroy actor. Let's see if at least it's destroying it, but it's not like removing it from the game or something. Just like never calling this function at all. This is GZ, yeah, that's what it is. Advanced glass material pack. No, it's fine. I can code this. It's just that it was with the geometry thing here. Maybe it's a chaos physics collision instead. God damn it. That's not what I meant to do. Oh, unresolved. Here, what's the problem? He never seems to be considering any of this. Geometry collection component. Where is it entering? On actor hit. I'm gonna do it with a pure actor hit and see what happens. Oh yeah. I have Lumen on this, but it's not. I'll change the visuals and stuff later. But right now you see it's not even considering, so I wonder what type of collision this is. Well, you know what? For now I'm gonna leave it like this. And disable this code and it's fine. Because if I don't, I'm gonna keep working on this like for hours for very little return. Okay, the other thing that bothers me right here is actually the fact... Whoops. But this whole thing intersects with this. Oh man, Meads, I saw your work on Twitter or Instagram. I think you followed me. You were very good, man. It's really impressive. Did it not change it at all? There we go. You do all like sci-fi stuff, which is really cool and nice. I was very impressed by your work. If you can hear it. Okay. So this here. Oh, let me move this really quick. This beast named Unreal. Yeah, man. Join the Discord and share your work and stuff like that. I'm also new. I've been working in Unreal for 1 month, so I don't know much about it either. I have programming experience and a lot of experience with Unity, but in Unreal, it's different. But you can do cool stuff. Sorry. But it is a beast. It is a beast. There's so much to it. Oh yeah. Something core that I need to do is it's gonna be a new blueprint. Yes. I'm gonna make a new blueprint. Been using Cinema 4D for 10 years doing art direction and commercial work. Oh wow, that's great. You're really, I can tell you have the experience. I've been working in game design for about 10 years now. But game design is, will it not? Okay, great. That's exactly what I want. And in the blueprint, I'm gonna call it checkpoint. And I'm gonna make it a blueprint. So it's convert selection to blueprint class, and it's going to be an actor. It's going to be BP checkpoint. No, it's going to be checkpoint kill box. So this is a kill box that let's choose a class. Okay. It's gonna be a... It's not gonna be visible. It's not gonna be this either. What it's gonna be a box collision. Like this. I can't. Ugh. Let me start over then. I'm gonna make a new blueprint from here. I'm gonna make it an actor. It's gonna be BP kill box checkpoint KB blueprint. And from here we're gonna add the box collision. We're gonna put it on top, and we're gonna make the line thicker so that I can see it, and hopefully I can change the color. Can I? Yeah, nice. So this is when I'm gonna put blue, because I already have a kill box. In here, I'm gonna do it so that I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna make it work, but I'm gonna let the player create a checkpoint or something, or I'm gonna this is really just for the test build. It's not for. I'm gonna create a BP checkpoint, which is also gonna be a box. Let me check something really quick. Got a message. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna make it another type of blue, and this guy right here in my level blueprint, I guess I'm gonna have a variable, and it's gonna be a vector. Basically what I'm making right now is if the player collides with if it enters it overlaps an object, it will set its checkpoint to that location, and then if it falls off or goes somewhere where it shouldn't go, it'll bring the player back to that location. Do I know if that's gonna work? No. I wonder if I could make this a transform. Okay. Okay, so let me see something. When actor begins overlap, we're gonna do level blueprint. No. How do I get this variable from here? This is blueprint read only. No. Private. No. Pass to demo real maybe.